Everyone, my name is Audrey A. Milan. Today I'm gonna read story about the caterpillar and the butterfly. A caterpillar green and fat upon a juicy cabbage sat, eating all day through. And when a dazzling butterfly creamy white came sailing by, they both said, "How do you do? I hope you like my powdered wings. They're the very latest things," said the butterfly in glee. "And see my tongue so long and curled, the finest one in all the world. A treat for you to see. Poor caterpillar, you can sip the nectar from a flower's lip, nor fly the summer through." The caterpillar raised his hand. "Don't pity me," he rudely said. "I'm better off than you. I eat all day, I sit and stare, I want to flying through the air. I like to creep and crawl. A butterfly I hate to be. It's best to be a grub like me, a caterpillar small." Then all the creatures whose listen too near laugh like a woodpeckers to hear the quarrel twixt the two. But neither grub nor butterfly could ever guess the reason why. I know it true. Do you?